Are you applying Eroxon Gel the wrong way? You might think it's as simple as just squeezing out some gel and rubbing it on. But what if I told you that most men are missing out on the real power of this product? Stop right there, because urologists have just revealed a secret application method that could literally double the gel's power, making it work more efficiently than you ever imagined. This method can make results show up faster, last even longer, and help you feel more confident in your daily life. And get this, almost 90% of men are still doing it wrong. That means most guys are not getting the full benefits even though they're using the same product. Stick with me for the next 3 minutes because what I'm about to share could totally change your experience. So here's the deal. If you want to unlock the real potential of Eroxon Gel, you need to know these expert-backed steps. Millions of guys are switching to Eroxon Gel because it's non-prescription, works fast, and is super easy to get your hands on. No awkward doctor visits, no waiting in line for a prescription. And the science checks out. It's clinically tested with real studies showing it can deliver impressive results when used correctly. But here's the kicker. Top urologists say if you're just slapping it on, you're losing up to 50% of its real potential. Why? Because the way you apply it matters just as much as the product itself. There's a specific way to use it, a method that actually activates the gel faster, gets the blood flowing, and helps the active ingredients penetrate deeper for maximum effect. This means you get stronger, harder results, sometimes in less than 10 minutes. Imagine the confidence boost that comes with knowing you're getting the most out of every application. Ready for the secret? Here's exactly what the experts recommend. First, pre-warm the area. This step is often skipped, but it's crucial for optimal absorption. Sounds simple, but a quick 30-second massage before applying the gel actually boosts absorption. It gets the skin ready, increases circulation, and primes the area for the active ingredients. Next, apply a thin, even layer. Don't just glob it on. Spreading it evenly ensures every part gets the benefit. Don't overdo it. A pea-sized amount is perfect. Using more won't speed things up and could actually waste product. Then, massage the gel for 60 seconds. Use gentle circular motions to help the gel absorb fully and activate the ingredients. Yes, really, this tiny step can double the activation speed. Most men skip this, but it's the real game changer. Now this is crucial. Wait at least 7 minutes before any action. Don't rush it. Patience here pays off big time. That gives the gel time to fully kick in and do its thing. Use this time to relax, breathe, and get in the right mindset. And here's a bonus tip I picked up from the pros. Don't just stop at the gel. Combine this with light pelvic floor exercises. It can boost the effect by up to 30%. These exercises are easy, take just a few minutes, and can make a noticeable difference. Seriously, that's a game changer. You'll feel the difference, and so will your confidence. Now, thousands of men are already using this method and seeing stronger, longer-lasting results. Sometimes within days. The feedback has been incredible, with men reporting more satisfaction and better performance. But if you keep applying Eroxon Gel the old way, you're honestly missing out on everything it can really do. Don't let old habits hold you back from the results you deserve. This isn't about using more gel. It's about using it smarter. Follow these steps, and you'll see why the experts swear by this method. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more urologist-approved tips on men's health. Your support helps us bring you the latest science-backed advice. And if you want me to make a video on the best combos with Eroxon for maximum performance, drop a boost in the comments. I'll make it happen. Remember, the right method can make all the difference.